I have been almost for 35 years. I was always faithful to the Congress. I was also once elected as a Mahila Congress General Secretary. And always we worked for Congress from the heart and never looked back.
So what is the basic reason for your resignation?
The basic reason is, yesterday I have seen a viral, what became viral on the mobile, that there is an alliance which has been formed with the Goa Forward Party. And that aggravated me because all this while people were against this alliance and the Congress themselves were against it, and they said we will not go with them. How now at this juncture, how they have gone with an alliance without consulting the people and the loyalists and the people who are close to the party, why they have not even taken a decision from them, or why they have not taken any advice from them. There are so many people, and I'm sure this alliance is going to cost the party a lot.
Madam, any particular issues with the Kortalam constituency in Congress?
Yes, this matter was brought to the notice of Mr. Chidambaram when we came to know that there was a working president elected. So, in the meeting, I raised a question to Mr. Chidambaram and I told him, in Kortalam constituency, there are two, one is president and one is working president. And this I said, I want to know in 40 constituencies, how many working presidents have been elected. So, Mr. Sheikh said, only in Kortalam. At that moment, I asked Mr. Chidambaram, I said, why only Kortalam has a working president? So he heard me and he told Mr. Girish that this matter has to be resolved within 2 days. It is sad to say, after Mr. Chidambaram giving them the orders to settle this problem within 2 days, till today this problem has not been solved. So what is the use of us being in the Congress if everybody wants to do what they want? They have a katori where they are taking decision. So this is not right, and this is not acceptable by the people. Definitely, after knowing all this, they want to again have an alliance with them. What does it show? Whose interest? Is it for the interest of Goa? The people will give them a reply to this. Definitely, I said this even in the last ZP election, that Congress is always want to put in the weak candidates. I don't know whom they want to support within, that we don't know. But they want to place weak candidates. And they are aware of the candidate of whom I am talking about, and they know, although even the reporters have sent them the message that he is a weak candidate, and yet they are entertaining.